Y'all see what I'm doing today? Yeah, look at it. Look delicious, don't it? Steak, chicken, and cheese. Yes, order fries. I get it again. You know how I do. Yes. Look delicious, don't it? Yes, it do. I know it's going. Look at it. Oh, yeah, look pretty, man. That look pretty, man. Yeah, but you know I gotta get ready to dig down into it. I'm proud. Top one. I'm gonna do it. That's what's on the menu today, y'all. So I had to give y'all a quick show of this, and that's what I'm doing today. All right, y'all. Don't forget to like this video. I appreciate y'all. Everybody take care. Everybody be safe. Everybody have a nice day. You know what I got to do. I'm gone.